of love, ambassadors of good things. We don't hate on our people. We show people the way forward. But guess what? A lot of people will continue to hate on us, but that doesn't stop our growth. A lot of people will try to pull you down, but that doesn't stop who you are. Continue to be that person that you are. Continue to make that giant move. Continue to believe that no weapon formed against you will prosper. Continue to believe that you are truly sent by God. Continue to believe that no matter how enemy pull you down, destiny can only be delayed, but it can't be changed. What God say you are going to be is what you are going to be. I prophesy into your life that this year 2025, you shall reap all the fruit of your labor. Those people who said that you will not make it, you will wake up and shame them. Okay? So thank you so much, everyone. I'm going to read some comments and talk to my people a little bit. Let's vibe. So much to talk about. Those politics. My friend and brother Two-Face Idiabi. Two-Face have stayed in my house in Texas. The very first international trip Two-Face made to Austin, Texas, during the South by Southwest, we were together. Two-Face, High Springs, Brahma, all these guys come to my city every year. For those of you who don't already know, Austin, Texas. Austin is the capital city of Texas. And we have an event called South by Southwest. There's an event in Austin, Texas called South by Southwest that gather all musicians around the world. It's a platform where musicians meet. So if you're a musician in Nigeria, if you're a musician in any part of the world, this is a good way you can go into America through that platform. Okay? Through South by Southwest in Austin, Texas. Google it right now. Or if you have a brother who loves music, once you have an invitation from South by Southwest, there's a great chance that you are going to get a visa to America. This event happens every March. So this year is too late, but you can start planning for next year, okay? So that is the massive information, and I wish you all the best. Okay, my man, Osagie from Valencia, Spain, Dove Music Festival, T-Boy Entertainment. Thank you so much for visiting me in Lagos when you were in Lagos. You make me so proud to see how your mom and your father had welcomed you to Nigeria. That is such a beautiful thing, okay? Thank you so much. Today, we are discussing love. Love na scam. Love na scam. I don't understand why somebody that love you today, 10 years later, they're going to stop loving you. That was never love. Who give me a bada? You know, Sabi Chief. Candy. No Sabi Chief. Biggie. Okay. Evie Joanne. Let's discuss. Your opinion are truly welcome. Please, guys, we don't need to argue. We don't need to insult anybody. If you already know, this platform is to do good. Is to voice your opinion. People take social media so personal. People take social media so personal, and I don't understand why. So if you take me personal on social media, that's your fault. It's not my fault. If you take everything I say to heart on social media, that's your fault. It's not my fault. Because at the end of the day, this is social media. When I make a post, doesn't necessarily mean that this is the way I think. Maybe I want to find out how you think. When I make a post, doesn't really mean that I am doing that. I want to know how you think. And that's a fact. It's called social media for a reason. So let's be social, no need to insult, voice your opinion without laying insult. Because at the end of the day, it's 2 seconds to block. Juliet Adolagbayi, hey, that's my Yoruba sister. Hey. China Peter, era for juju. Oh, may I play one video for Juliet? This video is for you. That one Yoruba girl. I define the girl. I don't send her a message. She never respond. That girl, I deserve a woman that will pray for me like this every single day. I deserve a woman that will be so proud of me no matter what they say about me. I deserve a woman who will never give up on me no matter what people say about me. These days, women are not loyal anymore. They will tell you they love you, but any small thing they will hide. I can never be with a woman who is afraid to show me off. I can never be with a woman who does not let me be who I want to be. I beg you.
Ojo nira korata na latun la bawe eji wa ma lọ síwájú ni onireyin oni beju lode lade fi wa gboyè o wa ni deni etela ujo ẹni bá robi ro afori egbe ẹni bá robi ro adeni sare oni mo ku ọmọ oni mo taya oni ritara rẹ lágbára Olódùn ọba rẹ iṣẹ́ rẹ o wa ni dise ẹni bá wa ro kúrò adeni agbe bi iṣu ẹni bá robi ro adeni akonle lágbára Olódùn ọba rẹ fi wá gbọ́ ìran oníbẹ̀jù àgbẹ̀ ọlásùnkànmí ògúntoló the paramount ruler ló fún ẹ lóye etí ẹ nínú lákọ̀ bàbá tẹ̀yìn fi wá gbọ́ ìran bóyá jẹ́ nkí oníbẹ̀jù àgbẹ̀ ní ráńpẹ́ òun lọ́mọ àgbẹ̀ igi apò òsì ọlọ́mọ òun retí ìgbé ọmọ kòrògùn jamọ̀ nínú ilé bàbá tóbi lọ́mọ ògúntoló oníbẹ̀jù àgbẹ̀.
Omo, like say I will know whether this girl is single, because if I wake up, just imagine waking up every morning and there's a lady who just wake you up with the street boy. Fi wa gboye, kilo shelele, oh shibabala, oh wa omo. That thing they make my head, they scatter my head. Okay, so I read some comments here, and my lines are open tonight. I have a lot of messages to attend to, so I usually don't do this. But I have a lot of messages to attend to here. So just bear with me. Let's read from Princess Osagie. Before we read from Princess Osagie, I want to say a very, very big happy birthday to you, my dearest royal Princess Osagie. God sent family in New York City. Thank you so much for being a strong pillar to our organization. It's been 6 years since I visited New York City for our organization. In that 6 years, you have constantly supported what we do. You never gave up on me. You were not the only person I know in New York, but a lot of persons gave up on me. But you did not give up on me, and that's what makes sure you are. Okay? Friendship that stopped, that never really begun. People who were your friend yesterday, people who supported you yesterday and stopped supporting you, they were never your friend. They were just supporting you to be relevant. Because at the end of the day, no matter what people say about you, if I have not done you bad and you believe those people, it means that you are a bad person. If somebody come online to say Osagie is a bad person, Osagie is an armed robber, Osagie is a scammer, Osagie is a this, and they have never done that to you, and you believe those words, it means that you are a bad person. And those are the kind of persons we don't want to be associated with. We don't want to be associated with people with small mind. People who believe what other people say before they can even experience it. We have a lot of small-minded people around the world. Yeah. We have a lot of small-minded people around the world. So it's better for you to create a small circle of friends. It's better for you... My friend, remove this love affair first. We'll come back to this love affair. Wait. Yes. So it's better for you to have a small circle of friends who believe in you than having millions of people who partially doubt you. We don't pass that stage. We not at that level again. We don't pass that level. We don't learn how to ignore people. Hey, Maleke. Pupa Leke. 1 minute. Birthday boy, Pupa Leke. Happy birthday in the building. Pupa Leke in the building. Now tomorrow I will enter that side, or tomorrow I don't feel come today again. Okay. You don't be side. Okay, my brother. Your birthday now will turn up. Yes, Valentine baby. Yes. One love, boss. Alright, one love. In the beginning now. Call them. Yeah. Okay, I'll tell him to call you. Yeah, that's Superstar Maleke. For those of you who know him very well, the mini Wana master. Tomorrow is his birthday. We February children, we are so royal. We are so important. We are so sexy. We are so handsome. We are so priceless. It's a fact. Okay? So now let's read from Princess. We have a lot of time today. I'm not doing anything tonight, so we have a lot of time. So I read from Princess. The problem with marriage is that women are often the ones making the effort to fix it, while men tend to place blame on women. Okay, instead of working to improve relationship. I don't agree. I don't agree, Princess. I really think that it's a two-way traffic. Yes, what you say may be true, but I've been in relationships and that I want it to work. And so a lot of men are the ones trying to fix their home. I have experienced a woman tearing a man to slap for public. All right, there are many men who are in distress today, doing everything possible to fix their homes. So it's a 50-50 thing. I don't think it has to do with man or women. Oh, they call me. Hey, I go, hot boy. Hello, sorry, how are you?
Okay, good evening.
Good evening. Is it possible I talk to you in a minute? I'm on live broadcast.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Normally, I be hot boy, just that I don't want to do bad. You know, when people look at me from the outside view, they'll think that this guy is a Casanova. This guy have 200 girls. But it's not true. It is not true. I am the most handsome, loving, romantic, decent man you can ever meet in your life. Don't let social media fool you. Even this Natasha and Two-Face thing that is trending, me, I'm even looking at it as a prank. I just think it's a prank, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so I read on that comments. Okay. Susan Milligan, stay happy, stay positive, have a great day. Susan Milligan, all the way in the United States of America. Thank you so much. You've been a great friend over the years, and I so much appreciate you. And you always constantly write to me on my social media, my inbox, encouraging me, right? Encouraging me to keep doing what I do for my people. I so much appreciate you for that, and may God continue to bless you. God bless the United States of America. At least the people in my adopted country, the United States, see what I do in Nigeria, and that makes me very, very happy, and I'm so proud to be an American. Thank you so much, Susan. Susan, God bless you. Joy Osagie, a gospel singer in Germany. Joy Osagie, a gospel singer in Germany. Such an amazing lady. Thank you so much for doing what you do. I see all your messages, inbox, praying, and all your videos. May God promote your song this year. Your voice shall be a voice of freedom. Your voice shall be a voice that transforms lives. Your voice shall be a voice that brings hope to family. Your voice shall bring the voice that brings peace to the world. Thank you so much for being a great friend. Okay. Let's read comments. Okay, Caesar Garrick, official radio host at Vibes FM Benin City. Thank you so much for being a wonderful brother. Every time you call me to hear my opinion on radio stations, I so much value that you think my opinion matters to the society, the betterment of the society. Thank you so much for that. Queen Idemudia, she is praying for you, praying strongly for you. Who is praying for me? Candy Wallace, I'll read from you. You see, as you answer me like a very civilized man. African Queen, our market. Oh, come on, guys. You know, we don't need to fight. I respect people's opinion. That's one thing a lot of people don't know about me, right? I so much respect people's opinion. If you are not being stupid about it, if you are not being stupid about your opinion, I'm going to respect you because I'm very open-minded. I'm a very open-minded young man that whatever you say makes sense to me. At the end of the day, your opinion is always correct. Your right or wrong opinion about me is correct because of the way you think. The way you see things may not be the way Tessie see things. The way Tessie see things is not the way Grace may see things. So your opinion about people is not necessarily the right opinion, but it's the right opinion in your head because that is the kind of person that you are. If you are a thief, you are going to see everybody else as a thief. If you are a good person, you are going to see everybody else as a good person. And that's the way the world works. So that is why you see me that most people's opinion do not define me, because what you say about me is 100% wrong. That is why I'm still standing. That is why I'm still softening. That is why I'm still associated with kings and queens. Because if I was such a bad guy, with all the accusation and all the lies against me, I for don't buy now. I for don't buy. But we stand strong. They can't hold us down. They can't bring us down. They can't bring you down. Whatever the enemy is planning for you, that chain is broken. I am prophesying to you. That chain, we are broken that chain. We are broken that chain in the mighty name of Jesus. In the mighty name of Olokun. Your chain has been broken. You are released. Because one thing we have to understand, that when the enemy sees a great person, they will do everything possible using agents. Look, the devil is on earth and God's people are on earth. Right? The servants of God is on earth and the devil here is on earth. The devil goes through other people to try to bring down good people. That's the work of the devil. The devil is not going to come from hell to affect you. He's going to use people around you to try to spoil your name, to try to poison you. Do you know how many times God has saved me? God has saved me multiple times. When people betray me, people that I fed, people that I clothed, people that I bring to the lamplight, when they betray me, I am thankful. Many of you may be sad, like, Dion, this person where you pick for streets, Dion, not be this person where you help, not this person where you give work, now they do this one, so people wicked. Or no, it is God that has saved me. It is God that is showing me their real attitude. Now, what if these persons have this evil heart against me for trying to help them, and one day I'm about to eat? I just hired a new chef, by the way. One day I'm about to eat, they'll go and poison my food. Have you not seen it on videos? Have you not seen the video recently? Matter of fact, my chef is just calling me. Have you not seen the video recently where one get a piece for inside people's food? Is that not evil? Hold on. Hello?
Hello, hello, boss.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Go ahead.
I want to ask, what do you want to eat, sir?
What do I want to eat tonight? Let me think.
Yes, sir.
Let me have, do you have some salad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me have salad and make me some jollof rice with turkey.
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you.
All right, sir.
Yeah, I just hired a chef, but this time I'm not bringing any of my workers out. This time I am not showing. For me, when I have a staff, I like to present them, give them a platform to also grow. But there are people online, the records are there. People will not go behind my back to start sending my staff money. Is that not wickedness? Maybe a staff I'm paying 70 or 100,000 naira. Imagine somebody that will go from your back and now send your staff 500, 200,000. How do you expect that staff to take their job seriously? That's what they have done. All the records are there. They will collab with my staffs so that they stop doing their job by sending them money. Who does that? People are wicked, guys. People are wicked. Okay, let's continue with my. I read from Eko Iyayi. So you dey showcase Ebe for your video? Yes, of course. I'm a chief. Of course I can do that, but you can't. I'm a chief in Okalo, and this was given to me during my chieftaincy title. Yes, yes, I am a chief, and I can do that. Okay, I can do that. Okay, if you have a problem with that, you can call my Onoje of Okalo. If you don't know, I am the Uzoya of Okalo Kingdom. Okay, all right. Let's continue to read. Udohomo Oduku, watching my great brother and friend live from New Jersey, USA. I love you so much, Sammy James. I will always love you. Okay? This is a true story, guy. And permit me to say it, Uncle Sammy. I'm going to pin you there, and you will always be a testimony to me for some of the good deeds we have done in our kingdom. Our brother there, Mr. Uduka, when I was in Benin City, during my event center inside the Oba Kezua Cultural Center, I owned the Heritage Bar and Grill inside the Cultural Center, where I hired over 40 persons working for me, from the stage manager, from the fish barbecue, security, cleaner, cook, all these persons, car wash, everybody was working for me until Obasekin came to power and drove everybody away from there. I generated 40 jobs there. It was closed down all through the tenure of Obaseki, to the point whereby he even turned that place into a bus park. As a young investor in Edo State who want to see the growth of my people, how do you expect me to feel after investing over 20 million naira then to build an event center inside the Oba Kezua Cultural Center, and I was asked to leave because of bad governance? And the place was not even put to use. So long story short, I was hanging out over there on a very good day. That was when my brother Oduka came to meet me, that he has a United States visa. Are you with me? So when I see a record the good things we person, they do not be the only nonsense that with the record. Social media blogger now see call this one. Dion Osagie said this. So this brother met me that he has a US visa, that he doesn't have anybody in the United States, that he needs to go to the United States. And I look at my contact list, I did not hesitate. I said, you know what, I have a good brother for you. Daddy Rich, if you're watching this video, Daddy Rich in New York, may God continue to bless you. Your good name will continue to take you higher. You and your wife, Mrs. Iyasere, you guys are such a lovely couple, and the good things you guys have done in the lives of so many persons in New York City, God will reward you. So I called my brother, my friend, Daddy Rich in New York, say, hey brother, I have somebody who wants to come to New York. He doesn't have a place to stay. He doesn't have this. Can you help him? Daddy Rich said, sure, give him my number. And Mr. Sammy James went to New York, met with Daddy Rich. Daddy Rich did what he had to do, gave him the support that he needed. And today, just 6 years ago, Sammy James, our brother Oduku, is now a United States citizen. And apart from that, he has been able to take one of his daughter to US in just 6 years. I beg, if you not clap for me, I will clap for myself. Sammy James, clap for yourself. You know why I want you to clap for yourself? Because I have done way more for people in the United States, and nobody ever showed me respect. Nobody ever showed me the regard. There's no day you see me and don't say, Dion, now because of you, thank you so much, my brother. Is there? Even to the point whereby during my birthday, you also sent me a video. I still think I have it. So I always appreciate people like you who are constantly reminding me of the little act of kindness that I show them. Thank you so much, brother. And the story will not end. You will continue to excel. All your children will enter America. You will earn the fruit of your labor. Thank you so much, and thank Daddy Rich for being a vessel to your success story. And your story will not change. All your dreams, we are going to achieve it. Okay? I love you, my brother. Okay? So we're going to keep reading some comments here. Priscilla loves Dion. Come on, Brandy. Who won't love me? I mean, let's be sincere. Who won't love me? Let's be sincere. Any person that does not love me does not love God. Because I have the heart of God. I have been lied on, I have been scammed, I have been treated badly, but this is me. Even though I have the power to quench anybody overnight. A lot of people have called me, Dion, why that small rat will they talk to you like this? Dion, why this? But look, our work is for peace. We are a global peace ambassador. Our work is for peace. We are a global peace ambassador. We are not here to bring people down. We are here to see how people can grow. We are here to see how people can elevate. We are here to see how we can move one person out of poverty. If you do me bad, I fight you. What will I gain? When it comes to streets, I can use street for you. When it comes anywhere, I can win in all areas. But what does it really benefit me? Nothing. Okay? Okay, so let's continue to go. Read some comments. Okay, Osagie, women fight for the marriage the most. Okay. I don't know about that, but that could be true. That... Oh. I don't know what's going on with my internet, guys. You're just gonna have to bear with me. You're just gonna have to bear with me. I don't know what's going on with my internet. Okay. Okay. I read a comment earlier said women. I don't know. I read a comment earlier. Why do men beat women? I don't know why men beat women. I'm not a woman beater. I'm not a woman beater. That's why what they talked, what they said about me. They lied on me. And one day I'm going to expose that story. How my mother-in-law, my ex-mother-in-law, lied to the Canada immigration. I think I saved it on my email. Let me see if I can find it so that you know I'm telling you the truth. I'm going to expose that story one day. How my ex-mother-in-law, let me see. Okay, I have it here. Look at it. May not be the last. You go see the date where I take save them. Look at it there. Her name is Irene Ogbede. You see the date, right? I save it for future sake. You can take a screenshot if you want. But on a good day, we are going to read this story out. How my ex-mother-in-law lied to the Canadian immigration just for her daughter to be able to seek asylum. I have it here. Called me all kinds of names. The things I did not do. I could petition her with this if I want to. But what is it going to benefit me? The past is already the past. This woman lied so much on me. Even called my mother a cultist that immediately we married. Let me just read some part for you guys. He said, I kicked against it hardly. He said, my daughter called to tell me she had gotten engaged and she would be quitting her studies to get married to a man she has been dating for a couple of months. I kicked against it and I wished her to start a career path before marriage. However, long story. I'm gonna read it one day. The story is so long ago. This is what the petition my mother-in-law submitted to the Canadian immigration. I have it. I have all the documents. Before you get married, guys, you have to, please, if you are not married, listen carefully to me. You have to listen carefully to me. I have to use myself as a leader. I have to use what happened to me in life to set an example to others. Not because I'm bitter, not because I want to go back there, but that is a part of the teaching. The best teaching you can give to anybody is the things you have experienced, not the things you have heard. You can study Paris, you can study New York in book 1,000 times, but the person who went to New York will know New York more than you that studied it over 10 years. You can study New York for 10 years and the person will visit New York once. That person who went to New York once will know New York more than you. So when I'm speaking to those persons who are my followers, those persons who will, if I'm able to change one mind, then I'm a success story. If I'm able to protect one person from going down the drain that I went through, then I'm a successful person. Just to get an asylum approved in Canada, I was lied on. You know, I'm an international man. I already have all the records even before now, but I just kept low. But I'm going to expose it one day so that our people can also learn not to become a victim. Before you marry a woman, you have to check the mother's background. There's a great chance that every daughter will become like her mom. Not all, but there's a great chance that every mother will become like their mom. Yeah. I don't know, many of you know the story of one J.J. Longer in Ogida. I mean, I don't want to say it online. Allegedly, you have to always use that word, that the mom had an affair with some guy, some pastor guy. I don't know. That's what I heard. But I didn't know that. I was only looking at pastor daughter. Holy Bible. God will help us. Better for worse. It was the same pastor that wedded me and the daughter also wedded the other man. By the way, Mr. Adodo, Winifred new husband, you were the one that signed the petition for divorce. I have the copy. Congratulations, bro. You get mine. The platform where you are playing piano today. The platform where you are playing today, I created the platform. So you are using my sweat. You are cashing out on my sweat and you think you are winning. The win women that they are using today. Let me play something. Let me play something for you guys. Play piano. Piano. No. See him.
Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and
Where did you say? You don't bomb. Oh, yeah, give me kiss.
So, the platform I created is what another man is using to eat today, and the man thinks is a success story. And the man also had the nerve, I have the documents there. The man also had the nerve to sign as a witness on that voice petition that I never saw. 20 years is not forever. That's my belief. But that is a story for another day. Alright? Because at the end of the day, I feel like I was scammed. My sweat from the passport, the lawyer, I did everything. Now that the young lady has become a Canadian, then you are not eating on my sweat. Oh boy. I'll leave it at that for now. Alright, so let's do some comments. P. Johnson. Rich Zamani. You see the cry over spilled milk. This is not cries, man. This is not cries at all. This is not cries. This is just a lesson for people like you who may want to go through my rats. But I am not a loser. I can never lose on anything. That's just my attitude. Okay? Alright, the Queen Adesuwa. That's the CSO, spiritual CSO to Fuwagboye. Human language, somewhere on the edge. Poetry. Okay. You don't drop on poetry for us. Nice one. Okay. Moses. Dion, please play piano for us, man. Okay, I can do that. I had to tell you, Dion. That one was down for front. The piano man will be back. Omo, be wise, oh. Be wise. Men, if your wife respects your pastor, respect our pastor more than you, there's a problem already. If your woman respects the pastor, not let your woman get no to all this pastor, because religious women are very easy to deceive by their pastors and spiritual leaders. Religious women who claim to believe in God so much, they are very easy to manipulate by the same people who they go to church with. Are you with me? When your wife start calling a co-pastor daddy, then you already have a problem. May I play piano for you, Moses? Oh Lord Jesus, yeah. Not be small thing we don't see. But you know what? For everybody that think that they have hurt me, I see it as an act of kindness. Yeah. For everybody that think that they have used me, I see it as an act of kindness, like a part of the good that I've done. I have fed so many persons. Even the Abat Obase that is ranting online today, I'm the one that is feeding Abat today. Nobody knew Abat until he started speaking about me. And I decided to respond to him because I wanted him to grow. If I don't respond to you, you will not grow. Abat, the little TikTok you are eating today, you have turned your wife into a content creator. You that is a political guru. You are in UK, but you are not okay. You cannot even come to Nigeria. You wanted us to leave Nigeria. We are in Nigeria, chilling. We became kings and queens in those states. You cannot even come to those states. That's life. That's life. Never wish bad on nobody. Never wish bad on nobody. You want a God-sent foundation to shut down. We are still on board. Where are you today? You run, you leave your house. Government don't even mark your house. Are you not aware? Oh, many of you are not aware. Abadobase house have been marked for demolition. Maybe when I go to Benin, I won't give you the update. That's life. Tony Kabaka that you cost. Tony Kabaka just got an appointment 2 days ago. Ebo Stone that was your best friend that you betrayed. Ebo Stone has a job in Edo State. Dennis Idaosa, who you insulted, cost, is not the deputy governor of Edo State. Dion Osagie that you said is in Edo State still doing what he's doing, and we are starting our office on Monday after renovation. This is why it is good not to burn bridges, because if you burn bridges, you may need that bridge another day to move forward in life. I started visiting UK in 2011. That's about 13 years ago. My first visit in UK was in 2011. That's 13 years ago. That means that for 13 years, I've been able to build enough contact that can help anybody in UK. As I speak today, I have visited more cities in UK than people who live in UK more than 20 years. Which city I have not visited? Should I name them? I have been in London. I have been in Bristol. I've been in Liverpool. I've been in Manchester. I've been in Leeds. I've been in Halifax. I've been in Birmingham. I've been all over the UK. And I know one person in every city that can make a change in your life. But today now, you and Mama Onwe. The other day I see Mama Onwe carry these people for your face like this in name of content. If you don't create content, you cannot eat. I beg, may I talk about that thing? You know what I'm talking about. Hello? 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 I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry about the break in transmission. I'm so sorry about the break in transmission. Okay? I'm so sorry about the break in transmission. Okay. I'll continue to read some comment. Moses, I studied the power of piano from your platform, Dion Piano. You guys are crazy. Many of you are crazy. Eh? Who wants to be my Valentine? Is the real question now, not be all those ones that they talk. Who wants to be my Valentine? Two-Face. Two-Face. We get Two-Face. We get 5 baby mama. Two-Face get 5 baby mama, 9 children. Still get love of 31 years old. And here I am, a 55 years old woman is crying that I must love her. How is that going to be possible? Two-Face, we don't see advance, at least close to 50, with 5 baby mama, still find love. I am very confident that I will find love myself. But so if you want to be my Valentine, make a comment, let's gist. Don't let them fool you. Okay. Dion, she's Ajabo. You be Paco. I be confirmed Paco will not be. Hello, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, please let me have I think I have some wine there in the fridge, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me have a wine and a wine glass, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Emeka Chukwu, this life not balance. Who no go, no. Understand you, bro. So John Osagie. Yeah. That's a fact. You cannot tell me. I'm so sorry about what's going on. The network is really bad, but I hope everybody can hear me out. Moses, no, sorry, I think I was speaking to Emeka. Emeka Chuku, Igbo Kwenu, Kwenu, Igbo Kwenu, Kwenu. Emeka, nobody can understand me until you have been to the road I have been through. So when people say, oh, I understand you, how do you understand me? You have not been to that. Nobody can understand. You cannot understand what you have not experienced. You can only have an idea. You can only have an idea, but you cannot understand it. So stop telling people, oh, I understand where you're coming from. No, you don't understand unless you have been there. How can you be advising me on something that you have not experienced? And you are telling me, Osagie, you don't take advice. You are advising me based on your own life idea. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense for you to advise anybody based on your own life experiences. Your experience in life is not my experience. I may decide to live my life different than you. You cannot choose my life for me. It's my life. That's one thing many of you need to understand. Please, friends, lovers around the world, stop advising people on how you feel. Stop advising people on how you see things. Stop advising. So sorry, guys. So sorry, guys. So please give me a minute. I'm so sorry. Give me a minute. Let me try to fix my internet. I'm coming, guys. I'm so. Yeah, come inside. How are you? Thank you. Open it. Boy, it's here. Now they see your face, so before they contact you, you poison me. I not trust me again. You shouldn't be. They will see your face now. They will find you come and say, give this guy poison. They, eh? Who want for me? This is a toast. This is a toast to all my haters. Made in Germany. This one is called Hugo. Hugo Boss. I really don't understand what's going on with the internet, but please, if you can hear me, let's do a check up very quick. If you can hear me, say he. If you can hear me, say he before continuing. He. Today I still get free chance. What I want to do online. Today I still get free chance. What I want to do online with my people. What I want to do online with my people. Internet they done me. Baba Shokoto. I get time today. I'm not going anywhere. It's valid. Sakura. My dog is not my friend. That's the coin in the building. The coin in the building. The NHS nurse. Man, why you really lying? Two face now okay call ade. Two face now okay call ade wa lórí oko àwọn me. But now you come me now. But now you come me now. Eh? Abi? No, I beg, make na beg any woman make they come marry me. Make give me ya. Me na manage me. If give me ya wa mugu me. I wait disable around. I dey tell you. I dey tell you I need them. Anyone wanna give me now will collect, I beg. But I don't need anyone with like 50 something or I beg. La la. Yeah.